Come on, Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Son, hold on.
Where'd you get those custom headlights at, Jeff?
Well, that'd be the Chevron about 3.5 feet from my house. I mean, the thing is,
Low beams.
low beam, high beam, shit, and you never stink around here.
What's up, guys? So tonight we are tearing into this brand new Ranger that's going to be built to match one of the any level builds that was magma red. So it's basically going to be built like pretty much exactly like Zach's Ranger, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much the same specs and everything, so a monster. But it is going to be painted magma red and it's going to match the truck. So that's going to be super sick. We're pretty excited. So I'm going to start taking the plastics off and start on this bad boy.
Oh, disappointment. I know, like content. Vega.
What is up, guys? We are full swing into Lone Star Throwdown crunch week right now. It's Tuesday. Feels like this week's already been a month long. So we've got a lot going on here right now. I just picked up my 22 from Signs of Success, getting new decals on. We've got the JTX Texas logo on this side. And then OB Motorsports on the other side. Super stoked about how that turned out. Since I don't have my teal wheels yet, I'm really liking like the black on black. Really like it. And we've got the old race truck over here. I'm about to take batteries out, whatnot. So we had a friend come and strip all the turbos and turbo piping out, and I will be powder coating that tonight. We've got the bed going on to this truck right now. Let's go see what else is going on in here. Got this truck coming apart. That doesn't have to be at LST. This is going to LST. Brent's Ranger going back together. It's the flatbed. We've got the high lifter parts going on to the Ranger. Looks really good. And these doggies need all of the attention apparently. Hi babies. Oh, some babies. Now Zach, you be easy on that hood, all right? Be easy on that hood. Damn. What we got going on here?
Well, you know, you're not supposed to put a plug in your sidewall, but
That doesn't sound good at all.
yeah, it doesn't fit on it.
And everyone's lucky I can drive again because this is my 18th parts run for the day. And don't come for me for being an AutoZone. O'Reilly's didn't have what I needed. So Zach just sprayed his new wheels for the dually. 30-inch JTXs. These look freaking massive. I'm gonna have to put it on the wide angle right here. Stand by. In Trans Copper 2 by Prismatics. Sick AF. I'm obsessed. All right, headed back to the powder shop this morning. Zach just went to the airport to pick up his mom that's going to watch our doggies while we're gone at LST. I've got some precious cargo riding with me. So we're on the way there. Got this beauty pretty almost finished up too. So you can take a little gander at that. But yeah, I'm gonna go powder coat my turbo piping and then some hooks for, oh, why do I keep covering up the camera? Sorry. I'm just driving in my parking lot right now, in my driveway. So don't come for me. Also, I didn't mention that it has been 20 degrees this morning and it's freezing rain in the whole DFW area. This van is creeping by staring at me. I'm not videoing you. Anyways, it's freezing rain right now. We have, of course, all of our friends that are on the way to the show, all of our friends that are on the way to the shop. So praying for everyone. Praying for everyone to get here and there safely. So this is one of my projects for today. Zach prepped all this for me last night. Little King. We spray with the balloons and then take these out just to protect all the inside of the piping. But this is my turbos and all of my turbo piping for my race truck. So it's getting a super chrome base with Willie's teal to match my wheels. And yeah, I'm excited to actually be able to show off under the hood a little bit because it was really rough. Looking a little sketchy in here. That was kind of hard, but so we've got full cure we need to do on the chrome base. So that's going to be about 35 minutes or so, and then we'll do the Willys too. All right, I've got the super chrome base done. Didn't turn out too bad. The turbos were like a little rough to begin with. It didn't turn out too bad. So now Veggie. Me and Veggie are hanging out. Just us girls. So just the girls day hanging out. You like your blanket, Veggie? It's forking cold outside. Way too cold. Vega girl. Why are you judging me? Anyways, we'll let this cool off, put the plugs and the balloons back in, and then we'll do the Willys 2. All right, time for the Willys 2. Done here. Turned out so pretty. We got special delivery here. Those are some nice icicles. Oh, those are solid. And we got some visitors. What's up, guys?
What's up? What's up?
Zach got his wheels mounted up. Just the old work truck working heavy right now.
Where's your big lifted truck, Lacey? Where's your big lifted truck?
You guys are rude.
She's like, my truck makes more horsepower than yours.
Fact.
I have never gotten in any big.
It's awkward.
Go for it.
Do I need to stretch before I do this?
Probably.
So you got two options. You can either go tire on the. Okay, so you can go like this.
Oh, that was just.
Wow.
He's
Or
just
you can go like this and see like
athletic. My leg doesn't reach that far.
It's a. You just gotta
Sorry.
go for it.
I'm gonna fall and straight
Run and
hold
jump.
my phone.
There you go.
Got her.
Is that how big you're gonna do yours?
Hi, my name's Zach.
I have a little penis. You can tell by the way my truck is.
Here we go. Need a filmer?
Yes, Jeff.
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 The filmer.
My name's Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
Dude, hey, he comes sliding in the shop on his little dirt bike thing and looked at JC and goes, my name's Jeff.
You plug this thing in?
Well, it didn't have any coolant in it when I got it from that guy.
Oh.
So, you know, you have to keep them 6.0s plugged in.
Funny, I can already know where it goes. Applebee's, I don't care.
71 degrees, so we're really getting there.
Applebee's, I don't care.
71 degrees, so we're really getting there.
Woo! So the gang is going to Applebee's.
The bees.
Just shutting down the road. That was Zach doing a burnout, but I missed it. messed up Applebee's, so who knows what's gonna happen.
Hello.
Are you gonna do a burnout or what are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay, well let me get...
Pull up over there and you can bring all of them to Applebee's.
What?
They're gonna get out video, you can bring them back to Applebee's.
Jeff, will you get a video for me?
Yes.
Okay.
Just sit over there and wait for them so they don't have to call.
Okay.
Oh man, that's a weird sounding Ford, my guy. Zach has no chill. No chill right to the bees.
Those are some dark marks. Wow. Allie approved. I do approve. How was that?
Well, that was epic. You know, Zach's really hungry. They really needed to get to Applebee's just hella quick.
Oh, we just come on
Burnouts and Applebee's.
Burnouts and bees. although I will say this can't be an official like Team Bees meeting without Cap here.
Oh, you're right.
You should FaceTime Cap.
We have to. All the cheese bites. What'd you guys do?
Suncoast.
Zach did it.
Greg did it.
Zach did it. I was not in the driver's
Greg
seat.
started it, I finished it. So we were checking to see if the wastegate would move, to see if it was messed up, and broke the trans.